Welcome back to Chesapeake Search Dog's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to clean up your map. You'll notice that I've added a fair amount more of the assignments in here, and we'll show you how to kind of reduce some of this information and help distinguish that a little bit more. So now we've already drawn our sectors, we've got our assignments going for right now. We're going to turn those off for the time being. The next thing you'll notice that all of the assignments are the same color. So some people don't like that. We can go over to our assignment folder and go down here to display settings. And then you'll see we can show the assignments based on the different types of resources we have, because typically it's always going to be canine resources for us. We're going to go and we're going to change it by random. That's going to be our best bet here. So you click on that and you'll see it changes everything. Mostly tries to be fairly unique, but there's only so many colors to work with. The other thing we can do, if you're making these assignments kind of quickly, you can go down here to bulk ops and you can change a lot of this information so it's going to all be the same. So select everything, and then we're going to go over here to change attributes. Everything's already in the assignment folder. We don't have any operational periods yet. We haven't gotten into that. All of our resource types are going to be a dog area in this instance. And let's just say all of our teams are going to be 2 teams for now. Generally, this first batch will say they're all high priority, and we suspect that we're going to have a status 1 or 2 subject, and we're going to have a high clue. So another thing that we're going to put in here that's going to be consistent for everything else is going to be our comps. And so you can put that in. And obviously it's all been prepared by me. And there you have it. Just hit update and it will automatically set each one of these things to have the same information. And as we went over previously in the SARTopo 101, we showed you how to access that information into the SARTopo 104 forms. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.